I want to show you how you can create an ad with just your website link in Canva. But before I show you that, I need to create a brand kit also using a website link. Canva has made it easy for us to be able to set up brand kit just with website link. So I'll be setting up the website, the brand kit for the brand which I want to create an ad for, and that's Zaron Cosmetics. So let me set up the brand, let me create the brand kit, and then Canva will help me set it up. I've just created it, brought in the website of Zaron, and Canva will do the setting up in just a few seconds. Let's wait and see what it will do. It has added the brand logo, the Zaron color, and the Zaron font. So you can try this if you have a website and you want to set up your brand kit. This is how you can do that in Canva. Just get in the website's link and Canva will help you set it up without stress. So this is the logo, and then we have the colors, and then we have the font. All right, so now we can go ahead and start creating an ad using Canva Grow. Canva introduced a platform, a new tool to allow you create ads in seconds as a business owner. So I'll be creating an ad using the Zaron link as well. So I need to get the link, the website link. So this is the product I want to use for the demonstration, the product I want to create an ad for. So I'll copy the link to the website and then paste it in Canva, asking the Canva AI to create an ad using the link that I just copied and pasted. And let's see what it will do for us. So what it will do is just to get us details about this business, create a business snapshot for us so that we'll know that it has an idea of the industry it wants to create an ad for. So I'll just select the brand kit I created earlier because it actually needs the brand kit. So I'll select it and then proceed by clicking next. And let's see what happens. It will generate a business description, business detail for us. But unfortunately, it didn't add product description. So I'm going to copy the product description manually and enter it. So there's no product description. I'll just copy it from the website and paste it there so that we can proceed with creating the ad. So I've copied, pasted, and then scroll through. So you can see it also added images. It extracted images from the website. I'll just delete the logo and leave the image of the product I want for my ad. And then I'll include the price. I can also leave this blank if I want, but let me just include the price. There's no discounts. We're not offering any discount. I think everything here is set. I'll just proceed. And let's see what next. Let's see. So let me scroll down. Let's see. So we have the advanced option. I don't think we have anything to add there. So this is what you have in the advanced option, but it's not highlighted, so we can't even edit anything. So I'll just leave that. So currently Canva only has the option of static ads. The video ad option is coming very soon. So for now, you can only create static ads. So I have 2 images. You can actually add up to 4 images if you want. So if you have up to 4 images, you can also add them here. You can manually upload them, but I have 2 images and I'm going to work with what I have. So I'll proceed and let's see the magic. So here we have our ads ready. It gave us 3 options. I think I like the first one. So I'll go with the first one, the first option, and then this is editable. You can choose any option and then move to Canva editor to start editing how you want it. I just set up the image the way you want it, but I like this first one, so I'm going to proceed to Canva editor and then begin editing. So this is how to set up, this is how to create ads in Canva in few seconds with your website link. You don't need any graphic design knowledge. You don't need, just get in your website link and Canva Grow will help you create the ad in few seconds. So if you have a business website that has products, let me emphasize that the website you use for this has to be a website that has your products images so that it can quickly fetch your products and then create an ad for you. All right. It's very important that I mention that. So this is the ad. I can edit it like I mentioned earlier. I can edit, I can, change color, add my logo manually if I want. So I brought it into the Canva editor where I can edit. Another interesting thing about creating your ad in Canva is that you can publish directly to Meta. You can publish directly to Meta ads if your account is connected. So once you're done creating your ads, you can publish directly to Facebook, Instagram, right inside Canva. But ensure that your account is connected so you can be able to do this in Canva.